This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add custom after post widgets in WordPress. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, we will install and activate a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here add widget after post, add widget after content, and install and activate this plugin. Once the plugin activated, hover over on appearance and click on widgets. And here you will see the after content widget has already added. Now we will add here our post. So click on this add block and search here latest post and add latest post blocks here. Now click on settings and enable post content, and you can display author name, display post date, you can display feature image. And now let's update widget settings, and I'm going to reloading my post and I'm scrolling down. As you can see at the bottom of this post here, we can see after post has been successfully added. Okay, this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.